All right, guys, so we got another mail call today. So we had JFEGWO. They sent us the air pump for the tires and everything a few weeks back. They sent us this really cool jump starter, which also has an air pump on it. So I want to show you what it looks like here. So this is it. There it is. See what this thing looks like here. Right, cool. There's that. So pretty neat. You've got display here for the gauge. Okay, another display down here for your starter booster. Got a couple USB ports, charger, and then you've got, oh, and also there we go, 100% charged. There's our air pump works, and then it says a light there. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Man, those are nice and bright. So that's kind of cool. Have that included on there. You gotta hold it down for a couple seconds to make it turn on and off. What else we got here? Got instruction manual. Nice and simple and sweet. Pretty cool. And then this is pretty nice. Comes with a bag to put everything in, which is really nice. Let's see what all we got in here. Got a couple things in there. So there's for the air pump. So just like the other one was, same deal there. Got a wall charger, and we've got a car charger. That's pretty cool. You can jump your battery off and then recharge the jump pack by itself. And then there's your connector plug with the jumper cables, and that's all that's in there. It's kind of nice. So there we go. That pops up, and this only goes in one way. It's got the D one and a circle. That snaps right in, and then you hook it up to the battery, and then I guess once it's on, you're good to go. So that's pretty neat. So there's the hose for the air pump, and got kind of a built-in carry handle here, which is kind of cool. Nice foam pads there. So this is 3,000 amp, which is really cool. So it starts up. So you know, I'm going to use it right now. The Excursion that with the V10 that we've got is dead. So we're going to try it on it and see if it'll jump that big motor off. And if it does, then that's going to be pretty good. So like I said, it's got a built-in backlight. It'll go up to 150 pounds. It's got a couple different options there. It's a 24,000 milliamp hour power bank in here. So even if you just wanted to charge it up and have USBs, power goes out, right? Hurricane comes through, tornado comes through, whatever. You know, you've got power for days at 24,000 milliamp hour. That's pretty insane. So 400 lumen LEDs. And so that's kind of nice. And they do steady lights, strobe lights, and SOS. There we go. Look at that, there's SOS. And you just got regular old strobes. Cool. And then it's a really neat product here. So flashing. And pretty cool. I'm curious to try this thing out. It seems very well built. I mean, it's a nice heavy duty box. It's got some vents in it, stuff for warming up. You probably go for the air pump in here because they get kind of warm. But that's really nice that you can just pull that out and slim it down to that. And then everything fits down inside the box. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's put everything in the box, or the bag rather. And then put the hoses and charging cable, all that down in here. Instructions. Cool. All right. That's it up in there, and then jumper cables. Toss those down in here on the side. There it is. Pretty nice. nice to keep up with everything. I have an extra stuff that you just got to hang on to. So this is really nice having the bag there. That's pretty exciting. So let's go check it out. All right, guys, messing with the Excursion, and the clicker button wouldn't even work to get the door to unlock. And I'm going to show you it's completely dead so that you trust me that comes alive. All it does is click. It will not fire up. So this is the ultimate test. This big V10, if we can jump start her with this thing, then it's a pretty good product. So that's what we're gonna do, is hook this thing up to the battery and see how it goes. All right, guys, so I've got it out here, went in and hooked it up. This just plugs right in the side, kind of nice. And then turn it on, 100%. It's dropping down because my battery's dead. So it's shooting some power into our battery right now. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of time here. I'm not gonna turn it right on. I want the battery to you know, juice up a little bit with the power from this thing before I go trying to twist it. So let's see what it does now. All right, let's see here. That's a good sign. Look at that. Perfect. That's excellent. I mean, it fired up like it had a brand new battery in it. Which I guess it did. I had this hooked up to it. Perfect. And then just unhook this and unplug the connection. Get that unplugged there. And then this will turn off by itself here pretty quickly, but that worked out great. Truck fired up. It's running fine. And alternator is putting out. Battery level's up. So that's pretty good. It's doing fine. Curious to see how bright the lights look. The battery was pretty shot until I put that on there. Oh yeah. Lights are nice and bright. Ugly, but nice and bright. Perfect. Awesome. That worked really, really good. I really like their design on these things too, because this one's about the same, you know, size and look as the air compressor that I got from them. So that when they sent me this thing, they said, you know, we'll send you a jump starter. I'm like, that's perfect, especially in the cold, in the winter. I've got so many cars and stuff, batteries die. I also have a lot of flat tires. So this thing has both. You've got connections there. So, I mean, it's just perfect for exactly what I need. Sweet. HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com.